What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a RAK LED magnetic pickup tool. Now, I've been looking at this brand for a while. They do make some good products. I actually like the way they look. So we actually have a few that we have purchased from Amazon. And as you know, this is the Father's Day week. And I'm just giving y'all some cool ideas that you can give your dad, your poppy, papa, pop, or whoever. You can give your male figure that's in your family a nice present, especially if they're into DIY, if they're into garage work, construction work, and all of that. So this is one of the coolest tools, especially if they are a mechanic. All right, so let's go ahead and check it out. We are going to see how strong this bad boy is. Oh my goodness, and it comes with batteries, you guys. Thank you. Now, do they have batteries already equipped? All right, so it looks like we need to put in one of the batteries because the light is not working. And where's the instructions? There's no instructions. So y'all landed on the right channel because we have no instructions, but we can try to figure this out. So we turn this and hopefully I'm not breaking it. Oh, okay, so this is how it extends. It has a little gimbal on the top. Nice. All right. Put it back in. You could leave it up like that if you want to. Now, this is not one of the longest pickup tools, but it will do good to get under your engine bay. Now, the diameter on here is a little bit big if you're trying to get in a little tight area, but this is a nice decent size to have, especially if you have a light with it. Now, the question is, how the heck do we get the battery on, right? Let's check the top here. There we go. We found it, you guys. We found it. So you have to remove the top. That's the thing about not having instructions, you guys. You try to figure stuff out while you go. And oh, the batteries are in here. Oh, okay. It's one of those situations where you have to remove the paper. You guys, this is awesome. They gave you 4 batteries already. They give you 4 extra batteries so you don't have to run to Walmart or whatever you go to. All right, so let's go ahead, put that back in. And this is nice. They already gave you batteries at the price point that this is. Oh, that's nice. Oh, it's pretty bright, even in the daylight. It's pretty bright. You can extend it. Have a gimbal head. You can clip it onto your belt if you need it clipped onto your belt. You can close it all the way back up, make it look like one piece. So this is very nice, you guys. I love this brand RAK or RAKO. It might be called RAKO, but the symbol on the end, I don't know if it's a symbol of an O or is that the symbol of, you know, their company. So we just going to call it RAKO. Y'all can correct me in the comment section if y'all want to. All right, for the enthusiasts out there of this brand. And that's about it, you guys. I will try to post up any other description that I see from Amazon because I don't have no specs on me right now. But the last thing I could do is show y'all like the magnetic pickup. All right, you guys, I went to get the most common tools and stuff that drops under your engine when you working on your car. So right here we have our magnetic pickup tool, and let's see. All right, so definitely, I mean, if you go real slow, but more than likely this is not going to drop, you guys. Now here goes the stuff that drops. All right, so yes, it picks it up. I'm trying to see if it picks up within the metal itself. So there you go. It has a good pickup to it. All right, it's good enough. Now I did have my other one. My kids broke it, but you know, they was younger. They was playing with it, and you know, things happen. There was one that I reviewed on this channel that picked up. Man, it picks up almost everything, you guys. I will try to cipher through all of the reviews that I've done, especially with stuff like this. That's good for like Father's Day or good for Christmas gifts ideas. I will try to put them in different playlists, especially on the Amazon store. That way y'all can go and check out some good gift ideas, you guys, because I do have good gift ideas, especially when it comes to this stuff. So yeah, this will definitely be a nice gift for Father's Day, you guys. Stay tuned. I do have a few more products from the same brand. I will be reviewing it shortly, and I will be dropping it this week, especially for the Father's Day week, and I will feature it in shorts pretty soon. I just want to get my camera and stuff right when I do feature this stuff in shorts. And yeah, that will be it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Well, wrong way. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.